Your light, sir.
Yeah. It's pretty tough, I guess, because I don't like it, bastard.
Yeah, we've had it for how long? 4 or 5 years?
Yeah. Like a bunch of shit to take off.
Probably is.
We gotta take this whole damn this off.
The top?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all got to come off.
Oh.
Yeah, this ain't like super easy or nothing.
Is anything ever super easy?
Not really.
Fuck.
But yeah, I mean.
Y'all want a stink bug? Ooh! Good shot. It's been a long time since we've had this thing apart.
Yeah. Might as well do this. It's cost me more money than you can imagine.
Yeah.
We're about to be back here again, I'm sure.